Are you having feelings of anxiousness and unrest today? If you've watched this week's Daily Visions of Excellence, I've offered up many ideas on how to use this amazing calming blend called Adaptiv. I have found essential oils to be powerful tools in living my life of excellence day in and day out because they have given me the tools, resources, and a community in place to support me in living a wellness lifestyle. Sharing these blessings with you is my passion. Hi, Rosalie here. Welcome to Friday Follow Ups, part of my Daily Visions of Excellence series. Today is about wrapping up the week, sharing information about Adaptiv, and other insights. All of my videos will remain available for you to watch and rewatch. I get a lot of questions from people about how to use oils, why they are so effective physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, why quality is so important, and how to purchase them. There are three ways to use doTERRA's essential oils: aromatically, topically, and internally. When ingesting essential oils, it allows the oil to be transported throughout the body. Make sure they are doTERRA certified pure therapeutic grades, though. Now, the Adaptiv Calming Blend was made for aromatic and topical uses, such as boosting our mood, complementary to effective work and study, increasing feelings of tranquility, soothing and uplifting, plus it has a calming and relaxing aroma. I've included a link here to help you on your essential oil journey. You'll learn 100 ways to use essential oils. There are so many wonderful ideas, and that is just the tip of the iceberg. Did you get a chance to try my recipe from yesterday from Take On Thursday's video? It's a great way to help you relax at the end of the day. Every week I get lots of questions, and I would say that Adaptiv is amongst the top 5 oils that I share with people. If you have not experienced the power of doTERRA yet, I'd be happy to assist you in finding the best way to get started. Generally, we look at very targeted daily challenges and go from there to find the best way for you to get started. If you're interested in finding out how to get doTERRA's truly life-enhancing essential oils into your home, then please message me. I have lots of different team perks and ways to help you get started. Are you excited for the weekend? Together with many of the amazing leaders on my team, we're presenting a work together training tomorrow. I love sharing the power of the business side of doTERRA too. There'll never be enough words to describe the benefits I have received from being a part of this company. If you know someone who is a heart-centered and success-driven person, yet they don't have that wellness avenue that they need to live their life of excellence yet, I'd love an introduction. Also, tomorrow's my Superstar Saturday. Any guesses on who I'll be highlighting in my video? They are definitely heart-centered. Future Superstar Saturdays will highlight other amazing friends and business partners who have unique and insightful information to share, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I love hanging out with superstars. Thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure you grab up the free resource on the 100 ways to use oils and connect with me to chat more about our life-enhancing company. Have an amazing day and weekend.